So my name is Jim Sturdevant. I was previously on ERA's board for I think 6 years. I've served on its development committee, its gala committee, its litigation committee, and perhaps one or two other ad hoc committees along the way. So ERA is very important now, and it has been important for the last 50 years. It's been involved in some of the most important cases in the nation's history. It's been involved in the enforcement of Title IX, a variety of employment discrimination cases, including enforcement of the Equal Pay Act and the right of a woman not to be asked what her prior salary was in the workplace, so that her salary at the prospective job can be less than what it otherwise should be based on what the employer is paying to men of her caliber. ERA is important for all of us who are members of families. I have two daughters. They're going to be the subject of the same things that the young woman at Brown University was, who wanted to play on the gymnastics team and for which there were no resources. They are going to apply to many jobs, and but for the decision in the Rizzo case, would have been asked what their salary was at their previous employment. For any number of reasons, ERA is doing important things legislatively, in the courts, and in the public policy arena to make lives for women and young girls and their families very important. So one word that I think of when I think of ERA is, other than equality, Ledbetter. I think of Lilly Ledbetter and the case that she brought, which led to a horrible result in the United States Supreme Court, but which led to very significant, almost universal bipartisan legislation, which became the first piece of legislation that former President Obama signed into law. Those type of individuals that are subject to discrimination in the workplace and stand up for their rights and allow themselves to be represented by organizations like ERA and top quality law firms are the people that establish the rights for which we and our children reap the benefits in decades to come.